Yo, it's the start of a new day for here at Budapest, here in Hungary. Hindi yung kasama natin dito. Kasi nga, we're waiting for the bus to ride. So dito, kailangan ng apps to pay.
I don't know what they do is
Alright.
you just go in and then there's inspectors that check it.
Be posted.
Just in case.
Well, pauna pa lang to show you around here at Budapest. Ito yung mga streets of Budapest. Very strong ang mga buildings dito. So, nakaka-impress. It's one of the best na na-visit namin dito sa Europe. Yung mga walls ng mga buildings dito, wow, dahil sa tibay, nag-survive ng World War II. Kaya ipapasyal ko lang kayo dito sa Budapest. We'll show you the best of the best dito sa Budapest.
Okay, finally, nandito tayo sa ating first destination. Ano pa itong pinuntahan natin, Ketre? O, hintay.
Ito yung mga commercial centers nila. Mga signature dress, signature bags, and all the stuff. So, lakad lang kami dito. Sama lang kayo. Well, ito na yung first destination natin, ang Opera House dito sa Budapest. Wow, ang ganda ng structure. Such a magnificent building. Umpisa pa lang yan. Dito muna tayo sa labas and I'll show you inside later. Of course, selfie muna tayo bago tayo pumasok. Alright.
We're going inside the Opera House. This is Opera House.
So, ito yung lobby. Unfortunately, wala kasing show ngayon. So, hindi tayo makakapanood. At close yung mismong opera house itself. So, dito lang tayo sa lobby. Mag-enjoy lang tayo. And I will view the beauty of this opera house. So, yan yung opera house dito. Ang ganda ng mga buildings dito, no? Ang ganda ng structural designs. So impressive. Well, palibot lang nito, ito mga commercial districts, ayun yung mga designers shop. Wow, ganda.
Budapest souvenir shop. At ito meron pa tayo silang postcard, pwede kang gumawa. Alright, ayan ako. Wow, feel na feel ang Budapest. Ang galing ah. Feel na feel ang Budapest.
Oh yeah. Oh, it is that one. Yeah. So it has a little say. And she just asked me. Yeah. She's asking me what I think.
What is on the video?
Wow. Yes.
The weather is just right and it's gloomy. What a lovely day. That red bus, that they call it the hop on hop off tour. Para sa mga joyride, just to see the whole city of Budapest. Here's our next destination, Stephen's Basilica. Kaya lang, we're short of time. So, we'll just show you around on my next video. So, just keep posted on my YouTube channel, Leon's World SL.